Hey everybody, as promised, I am back with a video today on how to make some keto-friendly low-carb snacks. It's very, very simple to do. These are extremely simple recipes, but they are so good to have on hand when you're trying to lose weight because it's such a hard thing when the hunger pangs come not to reach for whatever you have on hand. And if you have unhealthy snacks and you have unhealthy choices, you're going to make them. So before we move on, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do so and hit the little bell so that you get notifications when these new videos are up. We have a lot of content on the channel, a lot of different things to talk to you about. There's life hacks, health and wellness, diet. We have diet series on keto. We're gonna have one on paleo. All of them, we'll be going through them. We have skincare for anti-aging and skin problems, and makeup tutorials and hacks to make your life a lot easier. So dig around in the channel, look at the playlists. There's probably something in there that it's probably of interest to you. So again, thank you for joining us and let's get started. Okay, so Parmesan crisps. These things are so delicious, and I don't know if you've had them before or found them in the store, and basically they're baked, shredded Parmesan cheese. They're very crispy, they're like a chip. You can put avocado on them, guacamole on them, any of your healthy choices that you're doing for your diet do really well with these. You can dip them in pizza sauce and it tastes just like having pizza. They're very simple to do. You're gonna need about 7 ounces of shredded Parmesan cheese. That's about a cup to cup and a half. And you're going to put a tablespoon each of these in a little pile on a non-stick baking sheet. You're gonna flatten them out a little bit with a spoon. And then if you like a little kick, I put cracked black pepper across the top of each of these. So it's really a delicious way to make a snack that you can reach for that's 0 carb and again, keto friendly and all those things. Very easy, it keeps well for several days, and it's so much cheaper than the grocery store. Some of these packages that are like 1 or 2 servings are $6-7 a piece. So this is a really, really great way to make that snack. The next keto snack I'm gonna talk about is pepperoni chips. And I call it Italian bacon. I discovered this because when I first started doing the low carb, no bread, keto type of diets, I would eat the tops off the pizzas instead of the bread, obviously. But then of course I learned to make the keto friendly, no carb, delicious keto crust. So there is a video for that on the channel. So if you haven't watched that, do yourself a favor. It's easy, but it replaces a crust and it's just delicious. But back to the pepperoni chips. You're simply gonna lay these on a non-stick surface, a baking pan or whatever, or use non-stick foil. And you can use you do about half a package at a time. You're gonna bake these at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is usually right on the money. Your oven may vary a little bit temperature-wise, but no more than 12 minutes or they burn. What happens is it cooks a lot of the grease out and it leaves the meat, the sausage meat of the pepperoni behind. You can also do this with salami, by the way. And they're crispy. They're like chips and they're absolutely delicious. They're really hard to put down once you make them. And again, keto friendly, 0 carbs. The other thing you could do is check my video on the Keto Party mix that I just did. And it is a delicious mix of moon cheese, which is a puffed baked 100% cheese product that is cheddar, they have pepper jack, they have Gouda, they have all of them, mixed with dried beef or turkey jerky. And it makes a great alternative to like the Chex Mix and all the stuff that people serve at parties. So be sure and check out that video. I want to thank you again today. I know this is not a super long video, but these are super easy recipes. They are designed for you to be able to leave this channel right now and go make these snacks for yourself and have them on hand so that they help you with your weight loss journey or your health journey or whatever you're doing, whatever your goals are. I appreciate you joining us today. I hope you enjoy them. Leave feedback, ask me questions, comments. I love it all. I will get back to you in a day or two personally on the channel. So again, I like to hear from you. Stay tuned. We have so much more coming for you that's just so exciting. I'm going to be traveling in a couple of weeks to Philadelphia. I'm going to be going west and doing some videos there on some different things that are going to be, I'm going to keep them a secret for now, but they're going to be really cool. And I look forward to sharing that with you too. So stay tuned. We have a lot more for you coming your way. Good stuff.